Here I got 2 pounds of boneless chicken breasts, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala. We also have chicken curry masala. We're going to add 1 teaspoon. Now we give it a good mix and we will set it aside for about 30 minutes. First things first, let's add a little bit of oil. Here we're going to fry the veggies. A few green cardamoms for the nice flavor of the oil. 1 whole onion sliced. 4 green chilies. 3 tomatoes diced. On, this is basically to fry the chicken, which was marinating for a while. The pan is nice and hot. Let's add the chicken one by one. Whenever you fry chicken, just make sure you don't put too many pieces. You've got to make sure that there's enough space between each one of them. Just make sure they turn slightly brown on all sides. We can let this simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Garnish it with some cilantro. Next video till then. Bye.